What are the top 3 buyer regrets and how to avoid them? Did you know that the #1 regret buyers have is buying in the wrong location? Well, the best way to avoid this is make sure you're not falling in love with just the decor of the house, but you're also exploring the whole components and the puzzle of that property. Walk to the coffee shops, the shopping areas, visit in the early morning, late at night, and maybe talk to some of the neighbors to make sure you really are comfortable with the property. Number 2, unexpected repairs are another buyer regret. Consider a home warranty. That can help offset that big ticket item of maybe a new appliance or such. Number 3, did you know that buyers regret paying too much? Thankfully, in 2023 and 2024, we expect the market to stay very different than what we last experienced. The bidding wars are long gone unless it's a rare exception. So you as a buyer are more in the driver's seat, able to get a much better deal and feel really, really good about your purchase. Stay tuned as I'll update you more on buyer tips and how to navigate this marketplace.